dainty.
It's dainty.
What a sweet girl. She almost looks like she's got brown brindleish in her coat, just a hair, but it's not. I think it's 4 feet.
She's so Staffordshire looking.
She's so much more interested in people than she is in him.
She's playing with the rock.
She's so loose and wiggly. I've got to get her out before she loses hope.
Yes. Yes.
What pretty girl. Tinker.
She's so bulldog looking.
All right, I'm going to let them. He's actually very tolerant, you know?
Yeah.
I wasn't going to test his tolerance.
She is a great girl.